Hello everyone, today I'd like to do an unboxing and quick overview of this drone by CHUBORY. It's model A77, it's brushless and it has 2K camera. I like that it comes in its own separate case. The drones that I usually ordered before, the ones that I reviewed, they would rarely come in their own case. And this one is really sturdy. You can tell that it's good quality. And it's really lightweight, so let's open up and see what's inside. So here we go. So everything is in there. This one contains the parts that we need. So all the parts for the drone. Cables and additional leaves. Of course, the manual that I strongly suggest to read. This is the main body of the drone itself. As you can see, it's tiny and it's really lightweight. There's a battery. Comes into two batteries, good. And this is the remote control. It's really has a nice feel, and I like this lightweight. That's the back of it. Yeah. So I'm gonna set it up according to the manual, and then we'll see how it goes. Thank you for watching.